So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of LeetCode where I'm going to show you how you can associate your LeetCode account to your Google account so that you can easily log into your account by Google, or you can simply represent your Gmail address over your LeetCode account as well. So all you need to do is to just simply go to your profile option over the top right corner once you log in. When you tap it over here, click on the username of your profile. And now here in this page, all you need to do is to just simply hit edit profile option. So to connect your Google account to your lead code, all you need to do is to just simply hit this option of account. And when you go over there, just scroll down and here you can see this option of social account. Now to link your Google account, just simply hit this option in front of Google Connect, and from here you can directly connect and link your lead code account with your Google account. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.